Modern cruise ships are engineered to navigate the challenging conditions of the open ocean. Their design incorporates advanced engineering principles to ensure structural integrity. This robust construction allows them to withstand powerful waves and harsh marine environments. Specialized hull designs and stabilization systems contribute to their resilience. These features are crucial for passenger safety and comfort during voyages. The hull of a cruise ship is a critical structural component, designed for durability and safety at sea. It is primarily constructed from incredibly strong steel, chosen for its high tensile strength and resilience. This robust material ensures the ship can withstand the harsh marine environment. The steel hull provides the necessary structural integrity to endure immense forces exerted by large waves. Its design allows the ship to maintain stability and prevent damage during turbulent conditions. Advanced engineering and material science are crucial in building such resilient maritime structures. Engineers meticulously design vessels to navigate the world's most turbulent waters. The core objective of this engineering process is to ensure vessel stability. Advanced design principles are applied to counteract extreme marine conditions. Passenger safety is a paramount consideration throughout the entire design phase. These designs guarantee safe passage, even in challenging global maritime environments. Ship rolling motion is a common phenomenon experienced by vessels at sea. It occurs when a ship encounters significant wave action, causing it to oscillate from side to side. This motion is a natural response to the dynamic forces exerted by the waves on the hull. The waves create varying pressures on the ship's sides, leading to an imbalance of forces. This imbalance results in the ship rotating about its longitudinal axis, known as rolling. The degree of rolling is influenced by wave characteristics and the ship's design and stability. Cruise ships are equipped with advanced systems to ensure passenger comfort and stability at sea. A key component of this system is the stabilizer, designed to counteract excessive rolling motions. These stabilizers are large, fin-like structures strategically located beneath the waterline of the vessel. When activated, the fins extend outwards from the hull, interacting with the water flow. This interaction generates hydrodynamic forces that actively resist the ship's tendency to roll. The deployment and adjustment of these fins are precisely controlled, minimizing ship movement in varying sea conditions. Ship stabilizers are crucial for maintaining vessel stability, especially in turbulent waters. These systems feature fins that extend outwards from the ship's hull. Upon encountering rough seas, these fins are actively deployed into the water. The fins work dynamically to counteract and dampen the ship's side-to-side motion. This active dampening significantly enhances the vessel's stability and passenger comfort. The Bridge Command Center serves as the operational hub for vessel control and navigation. Captain and navigation officers maintain constant vigilance over environmental conditions. Sophisticated radar technology is employed for real-time detection of weather patterns. Satellite systems provide comprehensive data for anticipating broader meteorological changes. This continuous monitoring enables proactive responses to ensure safe passage. Advanced technology enables real-time tracking of weather phenomena. This system monitors storm formations with high precision. It also tracks wave patterns and ocean conditions. The technology provides critical data for informed decision-making. Such data is vital for crew safety and operational efficiency. It enhances situational awareness in dynamic environments. Ship captains monitor real-time weather data to ensure safe and comfortable voyages. Based on this data, strategic adjustments to the ship's speed may be implemented. Alternatively, the ship's course can be altered to avoid severe weather conditions. These proactive measures minimize exposure to harsh elements and enhance passenger comfort. Navigating marine environments often presents challenges, particularly during adverse weather conditions. High waves pose a significant risk to ship stability and passenger comfort. In such situations, adjusting the ship's speed becomes a critical operational decision. Reducing speed is identified as the most effective measure to mitigate the impact of rough seas. This action directly contributes to a smoother ride for those on board, enhancing comfort. Ultimately, decreasing ship speed during high waves significantly increases overall safety at sea. Crew members initiate specific protocols to prepare the ship for rough conditions. These procedures involve securing various areas and equipment throughout the vessel. The primary goal is to prevent damage and ensure safety during adverse weather. This systematic preparation is crucial for maintaining operational integrity at sea. Outdoor decks on vessels are subject to temporary closures for passenger safety. These closures prevent injuries from sudden, unexpected ship movements. They also mitigate splash hazards caused by large waves impacting the vessel. Such measures ensure passenger well-being during adverse conditions at sea. Managing pool water on ships is crucial for safety and stability. Excessive sloshing of pool water can create unsafe conditions. This movement can affect the ship's balance and passenger comfort. To mitigate this, pool water may be partially drained. Alternatively, specialized covers are used to secure the water. These measures prevent large water displacements, ensuring onboard safety. Onboard ships, all loose furniture and equipment are secured to ensure safety. This fastening protocol prevents items from sliding or tipping during motion. The ship's movement, caused by waves or maneuvers, necessitates these precautions. Securing items minimizes damage to property and potential injury to personnel. It is a standard procedure to maintain stability and order in a dynamic environment. Crew members are conducting comprehensive safety system checks. These checks ensure all safety mechanisms are fully operational. The process involves rigorous inspection of critical components. Each system is tested to confirm readiness for immediate response. This proactive approach is vital for maintaining a secure environment. Regular checks guarantee preparedness for any unforeseen emergencies. Cruise ships prioritize passenger comfort to ensure an enjoyable journey for all. Seasickness can significantly impact the experience of susceptible individuals. To address this, ships provide various remedies and medications. These provisions are designed to alleviate the symptoms of motion sickness. Access to these solutions enhances the overall well-being of passengers. Proactive management of seasickness contributes to a positive cruise experience. Cruise ships are monumental vessels, often weighing over 100,000 tons. Their immense size is a defining characteristic, setting them apart from smaller boats. This substantial scale is coupled with robust engineering and advanced design. Such construction allows them to navigate and withstand challenging ocean conditions. The combination of size and engineering ensures stability and safety, even in rough seas.